Assalamualaikum and a very good morning everyone. Welcome back with me, teacher ATHIRAH. Today we are going to learn about adverbs of frequency. Before that, what is adverbs of frequency? An adverb of frequency describes how often an action happens. It goes before a main verb. For example, he always goes to school. So we put the adverbs of frequency before the main verb. If you look in your textbook, there are 6 adverbs of frequency to be learned. Let's discover together. Before that, I have a song for you entitled, How Often Do You? Let's sing together. Hai, hai, how often do you always itu selalu, usually or normally, itu biasanya, often itu kerap, sometimes kadang-kadang, never tidak pernah, how often do you? Good job! Okay, so this is one exercise that you can be found in your textbook, page 23. So the instruction is, complete the chart with the words in the box in exercise 5. Then choose the correct words in rows 1 to 2. So as you can see here, it's like a ranking from the lowest percentage until the highest percentage. Okay, for the 0%, the adverbs of frequency is never. And the next one is sometimes, and the second one is often, and for the next adverb frequency is normally and usually. It shares the same frequency or the same percentage, and the highest percentage, which is 100%, it goes for adverbs of frequency always. So So you can see there the rules of the adverb of frequency. Adverbs of frequency come after the verb be. For example, he is always goes to school. So is, am, and are is the verb to be. So it comes after. So adverbs of frequency come after the verb be. Secondly, before other verbs. Adverbs of frequency come before other verbs. For example, he always do homework. So we use always before the verb do. Next, so these are the adverbs of frequency that we will learn. The first one is always. Second, usually or normally. Third, often. 4, sometimes, and the last one is never. So here I have the simplest way to differentiate each one of these. The first one is always. As you can see there, I have a few letters that represent 7 days in a week, from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So for always, I colored all the days. For usually and normally, I colored only 6 days. For often, I colored only 5 days, and sometimes I colored only 4, and never, none of the letter is colored. So to explain in detail. Okay, for always, it means that in 7 days a week, you always do your daily routine. You never skip. And for usually and normally, perhaps only 1 day you didn't do the daily routine. For often, from Sunday to Thursday, you always do your activity. For example, you always go to school. So for example, you often go to school from Sunday to Thursday. And then for the fourth one, from Sunday to Wednesday, for example, you sometimes do your homework. So we use sometimes. I sometimes do my homework. And for the last one, it's never, something that you never do as your daily routine. For example, I never late for school. So this is a sentence for you to construct by using these adverbs of frequency. For example, always, we use I always wake up at 6 in the morning. And the second one, usually or normally, I usually or normally go to school by bike. Often, there are only 5 days you do this activity, so we use I often play badminton at the park. And the fourth one, only 4 days you do this activity, so we use I sometimes watch TV after school. And the last one is never. You never do this activity, so we use I never late for school. So that's all from me. I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you.